Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to install iOS 18.5 Beta 3. Apple has seeded the iOS 18.5 Developer Beta 3 for developers to test their apps. If you can't wait that long, here's a quick guide demonstrating how to download and install iOS 18.5 Beta 3 on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. If you are installing a developer beta update on your iPhone for the first time, for this open Safari and go to beta.apple.com. Sign up using the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone. Once sign in, and next choose the down drop arrow and choose enroll your devices. Scroll down and choose open beta updates. The settings app software update window will appear with iOS 18 developer beta. Hit download and install. Next, I am going to tell you what the process look like if you have installed beta updates previously on your iPhone. For this, open the settings app. Next, scroll down and choose general option. Next, choose software update and then tap on beta updates. Next, choose iOS 18 public beta. Then go back to the previous page. Next, tap on update now. Your iPhone will begin downloading and installing the latest update. It may restart a couple of times during this period. Wait for the installation to complete and you should have iOS 18.5 beta on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to install iOS 18.5 beta 3 and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.